Alright, this is going to be video number 2. We're going to be printing out our logo today for the very first time. It's going to be a 4-color job. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I printed these out this morning. There is 4 of them. Alright, so I thought I would just put on the shirt that I'm going to be printing on today, just to show you guys what it's going to be on. I can't really get the back of me. It's a dark gray. It's called Storm Gray, I believe, and it's Bella Canvas. It's 100% cotton. I don't think these shrink very much, but this is a good quality shirt. I really like it. It's super comfortable. The sleeves are the sleeves are pretty long, but I prefer longer sleeves, so yeah. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is get my screens. So I already coated my screens, they're all dry. Okay, so basically what I do is you're gonna put the darker side on the screen because it's gonna burn the other way, so you'll see what I mean. So I'm gonna do this one in the center, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm getting the same amount on each side here. It's good. I actually lost my ruler. Skylar, I don't know what he did with it, but he was using it. Skylar, I don't know what he did with it, but he was using it. So we're just gonna kind of guess on this one. I just taped down the corners and then grab the other screen. Alright, so I'll just kind of show you guys what I did here. I'm just gonna do another view. I still need to put this one. Actually, you know what I'll do with this one is because I have more room on these screens, I could put another design on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. But yeah, let's burn these screens. So with burning the screens, I'm just gonna put this on a time lapse because it's gonna get quite boring. Let's get into the time lapse. Alright, so now it's time to wash out the screens. So I got all the screens burned and washed, and now I just have to tape them off in the press. So basically I'm just tightening them down, and then I can adjust them after I tape them off. Alright, so we got all the screens taped off and ready to go. The next process is going to be lining up all of the screens with each other. That way they all line up when I do the 4 colors. So let's get into it. I got all the registration good to go, so let's start printing these shirts. Alright, this is it. This is the finished product. I'm really happy with it. I really like how the neon green turned out. The blue isn't quite how I wanted it to be, but it turned out awesome. You can see it more in the light. It's got that neon green. Gosh, that looks so cool. So I'm gonna print a couple of these, and then I'm gonna do the front piece as well, and then I'm gonna end the video.